Hey, what's happening? This is Andrew Breiter-Wu from Brighter Planet Properties. I hope you've survived the snowstorm. Does your parking lot, driveway, car dealership look like my background? I bet it does. Are you tired of paying crazy expensive snow removal costs? I mean, crazy expensive. Are you tired of shoveling between your cars and spending countless hours of snow removal? I definitely am. In Boston, we had an enormous amount of snow this winter. I mean, it irks me, it drives me crazy every single time that we have to just shovel and just put time and energy into snow removal. I hope you're with me. The good news is that I can help you. I am definitely not going out to shovel or snow blow your parking lot, but I have another solution for you. Solar freaking carports. I know, they're beautiful. You gotta step back and just look at the beauty behind these carports. All right? We pay you to install these beautiful carports on your property for 20 plus years. And if you thought, hey, I could do that. I could just install my own, put a steel structure, no solar, just protect my cars. Sure, you could do that. You'd be paying about $18 a square foot. That's a multi-million-dollar structure. I have to reiterate, we are paying you to use your lot and reap the benefits of a carport on your lot. You could put LED lighting under it. You could put EV charging. You could protect your cars from all elements, hot or cold, and they are just gorgeous. If you want to look like a socially responsible company and you want to show that you're an environmental steward, why not put a carport on your lot and get paid for it? I don't know. The next steps: book a property review meeting with me right below as soon as possible. During this property review meeting, we're going to go over your property, look at all surrounding areas where you want solar, and we're going to talk about next steps for how we can help you get a solar freaking carport on your lot for next winter so that you're not stuck shoveling snow and working super hard on snow removal. I am here for you. I want to make sure that you're set up for a successful property management of your property, and let's do this together. I'm going to talk to you tomorrow. I know it, and I look forward to it.